A probate file is the single most useful document for mapping a family because settling an estate legally requires identifying and notifying every heir. That means the file frequently contains a list of relatives with their addresses at the time, names, relationships, and locations assembled by someone with a legal duty to be accurate. Start with the index rather than the file. County probate indexes are typically searchable by decedent name and year, and many are now online. Once you find a case number, request the petition, which names the heirs, and the notice of hearing, which shows where each was served. Look also for renunciations and waivers signed by family members, since those carry signatures and addresses. Even a decades-old file gives you a fixed point for each relative that you can then trace forward. If a relative could not be located at the time, the file may say so, and that tells you where the trail went cold. Our research team runs probate searches nationally. If this was useful, please like and subscribe. Order at peoplelocatorskiptracing.com.